Alright, boys and girls, I am out here with the Egg, which I haven't flown it forever, okay? So we're gonna see if it still works, okay? Let's start up some video. You know, I don't even know if I'm brave enough to take this thing out over the river. That might be a fool's errand there. It is sure hot out here, man. I'm telling you guys. It is hot and nasty as can be. Wow. Wait till you see when I turn back into that sun how nasty that is. Whoa. Okay, so it's giving me some channel warning for the signal or for the transmission. But hell, I've never even messed with that yet. I don't even know if I know how to do it. Okay, let me stop the recording so I can go into the settings. Let me get that out of there. Well, I don't know what channel to even select. There's no bar on there that says, oh, this is a good one, that's no good. Let me go to the one before that. I don't know. Now it says device not connected. I'll put it back to the other one. Oh, I just guess it goes through that as it's being reset, so it'll be disconnected while it's going from the one channel to the other channel. I mean, the signal strength, it's showing that it's good, and it's got 16 satellites, so I don't know what the hell. I think it is in the GPS mode right now. Or is it? I don't know if it is or not. No, I don't think it is. Hold on a minute, let me see. Here, I'm going to turn it back to me. That's the only thing about this thing. You never know which way the damn thing's heading because it's round. You think it's that label there, but it's really not completely accurate. It's not 100% that that's the head, is that label. You think it is. Yeah, well, it says it in the manual that it is, but it's really off just a little hair. See where the camera's pointing right now? Then there's that Powervision logo that's right above that. And that's supposed to be your head. That's supposed to be your heading. But it doesn't always, it's not exactly your heading. It's a little hair off to either one side or the other. I'm just not sure. I think it's to the left. Now that mode there, Skeeter. I didn't want to do that. The button on there that rotates the camera is so sensitive. It's really very sensitive. Let's see what I got in the battery. That's 57%. I don't know if that's the... Yeah, okay, so give you your voltage too. 56% at 14.66 volts, so... I think I'll just wrap it up for the egg for now. I'll bring it out again and try. I never got a chance to try these features yet on here. It's got all these waypoints and all this other crap. I've never even had a chance to mess with any of this yet. So I never restarted the video after I shut it off the first time, but I got enough in there, so I'll put that in there at the end, and I'll put the screen recording on there so you can see what it's actually doing. But I'm gonna have to read up a little bit on this channel, because I figured it would be like these DJIs, you know. You see all that? You see all that? All that? This thing just kicks out so much thrust you would actually find it hard to believe how much thrust this thing kicks out, man. I mean, this thing is really moving some air, trust me. Here comes the legs. Yeah, I think that was a pretty good second flight. It was okay. I mean, nothing major, but, you know, it did the job. All right, guys, there you go. The egg. The power of an egg. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later, man. Have a nice day.